Hi friends, today I am going to show how to grow coriander and methi. This is a rectangular pot. First we need to close all the holes of the pot with a waste piece of cloth so that the water doesn't drain away. I have cocopeat with me, so I am transferring the cocopeat into the pot. Now the pot is ready for plantation. Now I am going to sprinkle the methi seeds one side, and this will grow within 5-6 days, and the other side I am sprinkling these coriander seeds, and this will take some 30 to 25 days to grow, so you'll be getting fresh coriander. And then later on I'll be sprinkling some cocopeat on that to cover it. We need to cover the seeds with the cocopeat again. Now spray water for the seeds. Now you can see that the coriander has grown well and it can be used, and the methi is also ready for the harvest. Hope this video is useful to you all. Please do share, like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you like it. Thank you all.